Hey all, Joe here, and I'm with
Russell
from J&R Treasure Chest, and today we have a box that came in from eBay. I ordered 100 comic books.
I ordered 100 comic books.
So we have 200 in this box, and so we're going to go ahead and break them up and not do all 200 in one episode, which I'm sure people will be happy about.
They're supposed to range from 80s all the way up to modern Marvel.
No, they can range from 60s up to today.
Oh, 60s to today. Yeah, and they're Marvel and DC.
Marvel and DC.
And also, what was it?
There's Marvel, DC, Independent, all kinds of stuff like that.
Right. So, let's see what we got.
Russ with the fancy knife.
Oh, yeah, the OTF.
Packing paper.
Yay, packing paper.
Newspaper.
Alright. Have a little note here. Thank you. Alright, so let's pull. Alright, we got one stack here. This looks like 50.
We got another stack.
Another 50.
And another stack.
Alright, that's 50.
And a fourth stack.
Last stack. Okay. So how about we do one stack of video?
That sounds good. We got a Spider-Man, a Flash, and a Detective Comics.
Ooh. Let's start with the Detective Comics stack.
Okay.
Alright. So. Yeah, alright, well.
It is bubble wrapped really well.
Yeah. So we both have each of these are 100. Joe's 100. My 100, and you want to decide which stack we want, and see who comes out with the better stacks.
Okay, that's fine with me.
All right, you want this one or?
I'll take this one, and I'll take one of the Spider-Mans. Let's see, what do we got? We got Venom. I'll take Venom.
All right, that gives me Flash and the Amazing Spider-Man stack. All right, this is Joe's first stack.
We know we have a Detective Comics on top, but let's flip it over. Alright, so our first one here, we have Detective Comics, July, number 329. It is a 12-cent comic, so that's obviously going to put it in the 60s. This is going to be a Silver Age comic. So, yeah, that's pretty nice. The cover's pretty beat up, but we got 50 comics to get through, so we'll go fast.
Alright, next up. I don't know what it is. Spider-Man.
Oh, yeah, with Hulk and Hobgoblin and Vulture.
Hey,
Doc Ock, Electro.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's 175.
Revenge of the Sinister Six. That's good. $1.75 is going to make it a 90s comic.
All right,
number 3. We have Rising Stars Untouchable by Top Cow Comics or Image Comics. This is a number 1. It's a $2.99, so it's going to put it early thousands. 03 right there. Okay, not bad.
Next up. Okay, what we got?
Rising Stars Bright.
Looks like another
yep, this
early
is
2000s.
This is Untouchable. That one's Bright.
All right. Same company.
Yep, Image Comics.
All
right. We have Resurrection Man, The Body Doubles Strike from the New 52, which is DC. Oh, DC Comics. $2.99 is going to put it in the thousands. 2011.
Cool. All right. Next up.
Resurrection Man again.
Yeah. I'm not familiar with that one.
Well, this one's number 2. That one's number 3.
3, so we might get a set there.
We might get a little run. All right, next one. We have Team Titans, number 11. $1.75 is going to make it a 90s comic. 93.
So that may be when the Teen Titans come out.
This is the Wedding of the Century and the New Titans, number 100. It says, but Teen Titans, I am not sure.
Yeah.
That was 90s though.
It was. All right. Another one. Teen Titans. This is number 12. That was 11. So we got back to back. May have another little run.
All right.
And these have a sticker of $2.25 on them.
Yep.
All right.
So here's another Team Titans number 13. So we got 11, 12, and 13. And this has got a 225 sticker on it. You can go ahead and show the comic. Our plan with these was not to, if we get a nice one, cool, but our plan is just to dollar these out.
Another Team Titans. This was a little higher up. This is 108.
Oh, that's New Titans.
Oh.
All right.
New Titans.
Over here we've got Birds of Prey, which the WB is just now getting ready to come out with. Yeah, very cool.
Oh.
Be on the lookout for that. There's another Birds of Prey.
Another Birds of Prey.
This is 59. That one's 60. Yeah, WB's getting to do Birds of Prey. Is it the WB anymore? I think it still is. Birds of Prey number 61.
It looks like you have Nightwing. Yeah. And that's a Batwoman, isn't it?
Yeah. But with Arrow going off the air this season, this is the last season, they're going to be doing Birds of Prey.
Got another one. Another Birds of Prey. She looks familiar.
Lady Shiva.
Oh, yeah. Not bad. So the
cover's made that way.
Yeah,
the
cover has a...
Yeah, sometimes older comics will get slippage on them where the cover's coming off. But that one's made that way.
Okay.
Alright. This is an old one. Hellboy 4204. What do we got? Another Birds of Prey.
So we're getting some Birds of Prey comics here. Another Birds of Prey.
Yeah, we got a little run going. What do we got? 59, 60, 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Yeah.
Alright. Here we go. Another one. Here's number 65.
Okay, so we do have a little run going. Another one, 66.
Alright. And 67. I like that cover.
Yeah, I do like that one.
That's a pretty nice cover. Check that one out.
And let's see if we got 67.
No,
we skipped.
I have 67.
I was 68.
Okay.
So we got a nice little run here.
This one's bagged.
Lady Death.
Lady Death.
Ooh.
This is a $1 comic, 95.
I did like the Evil Ernie and the lady. They had a couple of good ones. Alright, what is this?
That says The Visitor versus the Valiant Universe.
Yeah. No idea.
I have no idea.
Yeah.
On the back it says, "This is how a species dies." I don't know, that's what it says. We have Max Brooks, The Extinction Parade. Halloween Comic Fest. This is a free comic.
Ah.
Yeah. No.
Alright, next.
Rachel Rising. Another free comic.
Okay. Yeah.
So, just like Comic Book Day that they have at the beginning of the year, Halloween Comic Fest is when you get more free comics. So this one's Wasteland. This is from '88. I don't know anything about this one. This is DC. So, suggested for mature readers.
Okay.
Yep, another one.
Yeah.
Another freebie. Mortal Instruments, the graphic novel.
Huh. I'm not familiar with the Halloween,
Like I said, Halloween Comic Fest is just free comics at Halloween time. Alright.
Something I'm shocked that I haven't noticed because it looks like some of these I'd be interested in.
Free Comic Book Day sampler. So, again, just more free comic book stuff.
Yep.
Mr. Monster from Eclipse Comics. 1985.
25-cent comic.
Well, that's how much it's worth now, apparently.
Yeah, apparently.
It was $1.75 before.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. We have Avengers something. This is from 99. This is Avengers Forever, Volume 1, Number 8, July 99.
Oh, that one might be interesting.
Yeah.
This one actually has a deliberate hole in the side here.
Yeah, that's not good. Oh, it's a calendar.
It's a calendar, that's why. Okay.
2018 calendar.
Doesn't do us any good now, but
Well,
still still got some pretty decent artwork in it.
comics cost us $45 a piece for 100 comics, so it was $90 for the entire box, free shipping.
And we basically got them, like I said, for sticking in their dollar area, just for people who like to read them.
Okay, so we got Captain Marvel on the back, so obviously it's a newer comic. It is slipping out of the cover. The Uncanny X-Men #1. So, yeah. Again,
it even had Jubilee, the Uncanny X-Men. That was based off the old TV series, wasn't it?
Yeah. Omega Men.
I have no idea about that one.
Yeah, I don't know a lot about them.
Yeah.
So, this has got Tron on the back. It says copyright 82. And we've got Omega Men, #5.
Alright, this one has Tales of the Crypt, but Gorillas of Blood on the back, so...
That says coming soon. That was a good movie.
Yeah, that was, what, 90s? Early 90s? Yeah. So, I imagine this comic is a little... Oh, here we go.
Incredible Hulk and Hercules Unleashed.
I actually remember this era.
Yeah.
That's an interesting piece.
Alright, on the back we've got Nickelodeon's 98 Kids' Choice Awards. We've got another Incredible Hulk.
Oh, cool. Imagery. Alright. Oh,
Hawk World. It's Hawkman.
Well, is that Hawkman or one of the Hawkmen?
There must be one of the Hawkmen.
Yeah, because this Hulk world, there's a whole race of them.
Alright, we got the X-Men versus the Avengers, $1.50. That's going to make it a 90s. No, 87. I was going to say early 90s, but 87.
No, you can tell by Wolverine's outfit.
Yeah.
What was
She-Hulk.
her name? She-Hulk, yeah, She-Hulk.
Yep. It's 87.
Even Rogue down here in the...
Yep. Alright.
That's Magneto, isn't it?
Sure looks like it.
Yeah, before the helmet and the other days. There we go. Alright.
Avengers versus the X-Men.
Yeah. This is #3. That was #1.
Oh, it is #1.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
You got Captain America and Wolverine on that one. Alright. X-Men versus the Avengers #4.
Alright. And see, that's where he finally puts on the helmet. Ah, we got
There's
number 2.
Alright, so now we're 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Alright. May I have the run?
We have Silver Surfer #5, May of '96. This is a good thick comic.
Next up.
JLA, the Justice League of America. #2. $1.95 is going to put it early
97.
I was going to say early 2000s, but yeah.
97.
Alright. We have X-Men. We have Rogue. And
Magneto. That's after...
yeah, it says Magneto and Rogue. That must be Magneto.
That's after Magneto stripped the adamantium out of Wolverine and Professor X messed him up pretty good.
The Thunder's going pretty good out there.
Oh, Captain America.
#6, November '96, #1.
Yeah. That'd be an interesting comic. Yeah, we got some weather going on outside.
Silver Surfer. This is a dollar comic, so that's going to put it in the 80s. 88.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Yeah.
Alright. What we got?
Hawkeye.
Hawkeye. And
Hawkeye
like
Black Widow.
Yeah, earlier form of Black Widow. This is a 79-cent comic.
75, yeah.
75 cent.
That's going to put it in the 70s.
70s. This is a very early edition.
Yeah, 88.
88, yeah.
I thought it would be 70s, but
yeah, you can tell by the
coloring
of the pages and stuff. Yeah, this is very early. I have to check that one out.
Most of the time, I can age a comic
pretty
well.
You're pretty good on that one.
This one's double sided. It's got 2 comics in it. Because I flipped it over so we wouldn't see it. All right, so this one's got Ultimate Extinction, issue number 5 of 5.
Okay, so at least we get to know the ending.
Yeah.
All right, this is same comic on both sides.
Is it the same comic?
Yeah. Yeah, they're the exact same comic. So we got 2 issues of this particular comic. Looks brand new.
Number 87.
$1.99 comics, 19.99.
Yep. Well, what is it on the back? Let's see. Maybe the covers are different?
No, they're the exact same.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we got 2 issues in this one package of the exact same comic, but that's still not bad.
All right. This one feels a little thick. We got 2 left. This one and one more. We've got Final Crisis, 2 of 7.
Got the Batman looking like he's in trouble.
Sure do. So
that's a recent one. I mean,
yeah, August 08.
So it was last year.
No, 08, not 18.
Oh yeah.
All right, last one. Red She-Hulk.
I've never heard of the Red She-Hulk. I know they did the Red Hulk at one time, which was the crazy military guy that was after him the whole time. This one, a $2.99 comic.
Yeah, it's
got a little bit of crease damage. For the most part, these are in practically new condition. There's a few of them that have.
Again, most of these are just going to go into our dollar area, because kids like to come in. They pay $1 for a comic. So, all right. Well, you got anything else?
No, that'll do it for the first installment. Like I said, we'll break this up into four videos because there's 200 comics.
So, all right. Like, comment, subscribe. We're being signaled about it's storming out there, so like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down. Tell us which comic you liked out of here. I think I'm going to keep the one that Russ pulled, this first one, that Spider-Man. I don't believe I have that one, but all the others I'm not interested in.
No, there really didn't anything. I mean, there's a couple of them I may read before I put in the dollar room, just because I'm not familiar with them. But especially the Halloween, I'd never heard of those, and I'll check those out. But all
right, till next time.
Happy
hunting. It's pouring out there.
Yeah, let's roll the doors down.
Well, we gotta pull that trigger.